Volkswagen have a formidable reputation for reliability. This is due to the care and attention to detail they devote to the manufacture and testing processes. The Volkswagen factory at Wolfsburg is the largest car production plant housed under one roof anywhere in the world. Every 15 seconds, a completed car rolls off the production line, each one having taken about 16 hours to build. The smooth organization of this massive operation is a feat in itself, particularly as each vehicle is built to a particular customer's specifications. Despite the huge quantity of vehicles leaving the lines, the quality of each one is of paramount importance. Tolerances are regularly checked with sophisticated jigs and measuring equipment that use lasers. The automatic assembly lines of Hall 54, using robots designed and manufactured by Volkswagen, achieve formidable consistency, giving the highest possible quality every time. The system is further designed to pinpoint any assembly problems so that they can be immediately rectified. An inherent part of the construction process of all Volkswagens is the extensive corrosion prevention measures they're given. It all starts with the highest quality sheet steel. Many of the body parts, which will take the brunt of the elements, are galvanized, an electrochemical process which involves coating the surface with rust-resistant zinc. Once the body shell has been assembled, it's thoroughly cleaned to get rid of any dirt and impurities which could interfere with the adhesion of the paints. The next process is phosphating. This provides a good foundation for the application of the paints. Then the primer is electro-coated onto the shell, which ensures that the top coat will adhere to the body and gives a smooth finish. Seams are now sealed, and particularly vulnerable areas such as wheel housings and sills are given an extra layer of stone chip resistant primer. Finally, the top layer of paint is applied. Throughout, the use of robots ensures a consistently high quality result. However, one of the problems with car body design is that it's impossible to eliminate internal cavities, those little folds and crannies necessary within the structure to strengthen it, like inside the door panel. To prevent moisture, which collects in these pockets, from corroding the metal from the inside, all the body cavities are flooded with hot wax, which cools and solidifies into a corrosion-proof coat. The engine compartment and drive assembly are also given a protective coating. Finally, the underside of each vehicle, which has to take the greatest punishment from the elements, is coated with a tough layer of PVC. In addition, the wheel housings are fitted with special protective linings. Such attention to corrosion prevention enables Volkswagen to confidently offer a 6-year anti-perforation warranty, and is one of the reasons Volkswagens hold their value so well. In a tradition which started with the very first Beetles, all Volkswagen models are rigorously tested in every conceivable road and climatic condition to make sure that every aspect of its design and construction are able to cope with the rigors ahead. Since it wouldn't be feasible to do the required 12 million miles of test driving on the open roads, Volkswagen have built their own, here at Aire-les-Cygnes. The 60 or so miles of road feature just about every different kind of surface and hazard you could imagine. There's the speed track, 13 miles of motorway with banked curves at either end for continuous high-speed driving. Here they test top speed, acceleration, braking, performance, and fuel economy. Then there's the hill, a series of gradients ranging from 5 to 32%. On the hill, they're looking primarily at the transmission, as well as the effects of heavy braking and engine temperature control. This is the dynamic section, which is totally smooth and seamless. It's ideal for a variety of tests up to the vehicle's limit. Corrosion is examined here using numerous hazards, such as loose chippings and saltwater sprays, combined with various climatic conditions. This test is accelerated. That is, it's increased in severity so that the results can be seen in a shorter time than would be the case in the real world. In fact, there are lots of accelerated tests here at Aire-les-Cygnes, featuring extremely arduous conditions so that vital data can be collected quickly. For the ultimate speeded-up test, the Hydropulse test stand subjects the running gear and body to 60,000 miles of simulated hard driving in just 180 hours. At the end of each test session, all results and measurements, combined with the driver's reactions, are logged and assessed. Testing on this scale and at this intensity will reveal any weaknesses in the design or construction of a model. Production criteria are adjusted accordingly.